Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm bringing you something that will change everything about the way you speak English. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, from the very moment you hear this. My name is Luna. I'm 28 years old, and I'm here to reveal something no one has ever told you about speaking English. Something so powerful, so simple, yet so overlooked, that if you follow it carefully, by the end of this video, you will look in the mirror and finally say, yes, I can speak. I can really express myself. I understand how to train my mouth to talk. And now, it will happen. Before we dive in, I want you to forget everything you thought about learning English. Forget memorizing endless grammar rules. Forget silent listening for hours. Forget worrying about your accent. All of that is just part of the story, not the secret. The real secret is this. Your brain knows the words. Your eyes can read the sentences. Your ears can hear perfectly. But your mouth hasn't been trained. That's right, you've been practicing English in your head, but not in your lips, tongue, and jaw. Your speaking muscles are weak because no one ever taught you to move them like a real English speaker. And that's why so many people freeze when it's time to speak. Imagine this. You watch hundreds of English videos. You take notes from dozens of grammar channels. You repeat words silently, but when someone asks you a simple question, your tongue trembles. Your lips won't move. Your voice disappears. It's not because you're not smart. It's not because your English is bad. It's because your mouth hasn't learned the rhythm, the flow, and the physical patterns of English. And today, Luna is going to change that. We're going to train your mouth like a muscle in the gym. And the best part? You only need 5 minutes a day. Yes, just 5 focused, powerful minutes to build speaking muscles, awareness, and confidence. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfection. You don't need a native accent. You just need courage, attention, and the right method, which I'll show you step by step. By the end, your mouth will finally move like English is natural. Your voice will flow like music, and your fear of speaking will disappear. First, let's wake up your mouth. Start with lip rolls. Buzz your lips gently like a motorbike. Do it for 5 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Then, stretch your tongue out. Pull it back slowly. 10 times. Open your jaw wide. Relax it. 5 repetitions. Finally, smile as wide as you can. Hold it. Release. This may feel strange, but that's the point. You're activating muscles you never used for English. A warm mouth is a ready mouth. Next, we move to the mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at your eyes. Choose one sentence. I am learning to speak English confidently. Say it slowly, 5 times. Focused on your lips, tongue, and jaw. Watch yourself. Feel the sound. Don't rush. Say it faster each time. The mirror is your coach, your feedback, your confidence booster. It helps you own your voice. After a few days, speaking English in front of anyone will feel natural. Now, let's go deeper with shadow speaking. Listen to a short sentence. Repeat it immediately, matching speed, tone, and rhythm. Example: I don't think that's a good idea. Repeat it exactly, over and over, even if you make mistakes. This is not grammar practice. This is building real-time speaking reflexes. Your brain, mouth, and ears trained together. You'll sound smoother, more natural, faster. This is how babies learn languages, by copying, repeating, and growing fluent. Once your shadow speaking feels good, we add the fluency loop. Take one sentence. I'm going to improve my English. Say it slow, normal, fast. Repeat 3 times. Each day, do this with 3 to 5 sentences. This builds comfort with speed, rhythm, and flow. You stop overthinking. Your confidence grows. Your brain starts saying, "Oh, this is easy. I am capable." But fluency is not just speed. It's clusters and flow. Most learners speak word by word. I am going to the market. Too slow, too broken. English is music. Native speakers speak groups of words as one smooth sound. I'm going to the market. Words connect, sounds link, rhythm flows. That's what makes you sound natural. 5 clusters a day, repeated like a song, will train your brain and mouth to work together. Speaking also needs emotion. Don't just say words, feel them. Act like an actor. Say, "I can't believe this happened." Excited, angry, nervous. Watch your voice change. Watch your body express. Acting trains your brain to stop fear, stop judgment, and own your sentence. This is real fluency. Feeling, not fear. Your mouth, voice, and brain start working as one. Then add mental shortcuts. Your brain hates translating. Train it to connect English sounds to images and emotions. Here I'm hungry. Feel it, imagine it, repeat it. English becomes automatic, fast, natural. Not memorized words, but fluency triggers. Combine this with body movement, gestures, standing, and posture. Your brain remembers faster. Your voice grows stronger. English becomes alive. Next is advanced repetition, but not flat repetition. Slow, clear, emotional, fast, real-life usage. Each sentence repeated in layers builds muscle memory, reaction, speed, emotion, and confidence. Example: I don't know what to say. Repeat slow, normal, fast, emotional. In different real situations, layer by layer, sentence by sentence. Your mouth learns, your brain reacts, your voice owns. Repetition is the bridge from silence to fluency. Finally, let's address fear and mindset. Most learners freeze, not because they don't know words, but because they're afraid. What if I sound wrong? What if they laugh? What if I mess up? These thoughts block your mouth. Luna's secret: train your brain and mouth together. Speak with emotion. Move. Record yourself. Shadow speakers. Repeat daily. Each repetition reduces fear. Confidence grows. Voice raises. You are no longer a beginner. You are a speaker. Here's your ultimate challenge. For the next 30 days, spend 5 minutes daily doing everything I showed you. Mouth warm-up, mirror sentences, shadow speaking, fluency loops, clusters, emotional acting, recording, add movement and music. Feel your sentences. Repeat smartly. On day 7, your fluency improves. On day 14, your confidence skyrockets. On day 30, your mouth and brain work together. English flows naturally. You speak, you express, you shine. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about presence, rhythm, emotion, and training. It's about becoming a fluent speaker in your own voice. Your voice, your energy, your courage, your flow. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for talent. Train daily, and the silent past is gone. Your fluency is here. So now, look in the mirror and say, I will speak English with power. I will train my mouth, my mind, my voice every single day. I am no longer afraid. I am no longer a beginner. I am becoming fluent. I am alive in English. I am unstoppable. This is your moment, your language, your voice, your story. English easy here. Luna's method. 5 minutes a day. And the courage to start. This is how fluency is born. And now, it's yours.